In this degraded patch of Colombia's Caribbean coast, forestry technician Aníbal Noriega is bringing the mangroves back, one tree at a time. He's part of Vida Manglar, Colombia's first verified blue carbon project, which is protecting coastlines, storing carbon, and transforming lives.
We're planting in areas that were damaged when water channels were blocked, turning into salt flats. Salt flats form when the water flow is interrupted. We don't use the same planting method everywhere. We've learnt this through the local community's empirical knowledge. Because they've lived here their whole lives, they understand how the ecosystem works better than anyone else.
Mangroves aren't just trees, but key climate allies. Yet across the Caribbean, nearly a third of mangroves have vanished in just 3 decades. Without urgent action, some could disappear entirely within a century. Sitting here is difficult to imagine just how much these mangroves are doing for the climate. But below the surface, the soil is capturing huge amounts of carbon, 10 times more than in a rainforest. Now that carbon is being tracked and sold as credits to major companies, the project plans to store 1 million tons of CO2 in 30 years, while allowing communities to make sustainable use of the forest, from forestry to fishing.
We've achieved some significant milestones. The Vida Manglar program is both a national and international benchmark precisely because of all the achievements we've made, the communication between communities and the institution, and the roadmap we've established.
The project also protects endangered species like manatees. While some of the program's most dedicated conservationists were once the fauna's greatest threat.
This animal was known as the caiman aguja and was about to disappear.
With former hunters now leading the efforts to protect them.
For me, it's a source of pride. I'm proud to be a conservationist, and so is my family and my colleagues too, because this project has benefited us while saving the animals. Some of us didn't have a place to live. Now we have our little house, our own plot of land. Some of our children, thanks to the project, have been able to attend university, something we had never even imagined.
As Caribbean nations search for climate solutions, the communities of the Gulf of Morrosquillo are proving that protecting nature can also protect the future. Alessandro Rampietti, Al Jazeera, Gulf of Morrosquillo.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.